People, wife, and leave her alone. Hallelujah. Peeps, I'm more than one time I come on the channel and I come tell the man them say, left people, wife alone. If a man married to a woman, make she stay. Because man invest a heap of time, sacrifice, and money in their marriage. It's not your place to go mess with it. See, there is a suggestion that a JDF soldier who was killed in River Clarendon recently was killed as a result of him having a sexual relationship with his colleague's wife. It says love triangle focused investigation of soldiers' murder. The police and military are undertaking intense investigation into the circumstances which led to the death of a member of the Jamaica Defence Force in Rock River, Clarendon on Wednesday night. Amidst the investigation, another member of the Jamaica Defence Force is in the custody of the military at Up Park Camp as a person of interest in relation to his colleague's death. Dead is 31-year-old Lance Corporal Michael Fraser, who was reportedly shot and killed at his house by men who traveled on a motorcycle. On Thursday, police investigators questioned the woman who was reportedly at the now deceased soldier's house at the time of the shooting. She is reported to be the wife of the soldier who is now in custody. Indications are that among the angles of the investigation into the development is the question of whether a love triangle may have been at the heart of the killing. Pun on the word heart, isn't it? Soon forward, peeps. Says, could a love triangle have caused JDF Private's death in Clarendon? Make we sit down. I have the utmost respect for a uniformed person, especially the men and women that put their lives on the line for us. This is why this story grieves me. It saddens me to inform the public that Michael Fraser was killed yesterday in Rock River, Clarendon. It is alleged that his death was due to a love triangle between him, Dwayne Williams, and Mr. Williams' wife, Kathleen Clark Williams. Peeps, I just what the article said me and read. I don't know them people here like that. I was told that Michael and Kathleen were at a location where they often meet up for sex when two armed men dressed in soldier uniform approached them and shot him dead. Soldier uniform. So I wonder if, I soon wonder, Caitlin managed to barely escape with her life. Kathleen, I'm not sure about the pronunciation. I should also inform you that after Michael was killed, the two gunmen stole his gun. Dwayne was apprehended last night and is currently locked up in a soldier's camp. 3 lives will never be the same again because of the indiscretion of 2 people. 1 life snuffed out and the friendship between 3 soldiers broken beyond repair. Was it worth it? I say no. This new phenomenon that makes it okay for us to sleep with other person's partner is costing lives. It shouldn't, you know. It shouldn't, but it costs it. But we are talking about it still. It is only a matter of time before it costs you, yours, or someone you know. Feel me? It was first reported that Michael went outside to hang clothes on a line in the yard when a man approached him from behind and shot him in the head, then make off with his licensed Glock pistol. Yo, boy, me I tell her, the situation is kind of sad. You understand what I say? Soon forward.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Make we face it. It is wrong whether it is a man a kill a woman or a man a kill a man. Anything related to relationships. I don't see why it's supposed to cause the death of any party. You understand? If you're in a relationship and you're not happy, leave no man. Left the man now. You can't be the man wife and sleep with the man colleague. That not look good. It no matter what go on in your marriage. End the marriage then. And that me I say. And normally I try not to be judgmental, you know, but I will pass judgment on that one. If I saw the situation go, hear me out, you know, if this is how the situation is, if she is the wife of the Williams hombre, Zane, and asleep with Williams' colleague, Sean, then you rang up baby girl. I same thing I said the other day, you know, in one video I made about alkaline and popcorn with the girl Cody, you know. You and a man a link and you and the man stop link. Or if you see that, you can't go link the man colleague or co-worker or somebody with the man in a beef with something going to happen. You understand me? I say in this case it was the male, normally it is the female. We don't want it to be nobody, the man if they stop the foolishness. And ladies, if you are, I know some of the time we don't want to leave a relationship, the man in marriage, and it's difficult, I understand that. But you can't do them something there. How this man now for the work and know say the next man why him wife, him colleague, the man can't feel good about it. So the report is saying that the persons who killed Fraser was dressed in military fatigue. So me I wonder, theorize, you know, if those persons were soldiers too, I don't know. Or was the military apparel given to them by the husband who is a soldier? Couple questions that for we answer, you know. So they have him in detention up by Up Park, and they know how it thing, military police and investigation and them something there. As long as it's a soldier who is involved. So we have to see what go on this still. But me gonna appeal to the peeps them, both males and females. If you're in a marriage and somebody unhappy, try get some counseling, try fix it. If it is unfixable, then file for a divorce. And ladies, be careful what you do with your life, no man. You understand? I did many videos addressing the spate of murders of women last year. I don't want to go back there, so. Zane and the man them. Stop killing the brother, no man. And the brother them. Stop there on a brother husband, the brother's wives them, no man. Zane, peeps, make we fix this, no man. Make we fix this. Them look at things that are supposed to cost somebody life. In real sense. You understand what I say? Boy, I tell you. But every man chooses them destiny still. You understand? Me reach a stage in my life still. Right now, I don't tell you already, you know, married the road, I'm not chat that. If she married, I'm not interested. No matter how she look, I'm not interested. You understand what I say? I know many women who are married now can speak to that for a fact, right? Yes, sir. You understand? I'm not interested. I just might think that. Yes, you know, as man and man still, we fast road man, woman, from time to time. That not safe neither still. Me can not try broke out of that. You understand what I say? But peeps, you know, worth it, yeah, sir. You understand? We can't just give our life, sir, because I look of flesh. See? And the man them need to stop take people life because I look of flesh. Yo. Boy, I love my freedom, yeah, man. I not give my freedom just so. I don't think so. You understand? My God. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.